Hello everyone, Assalamualaikum. Welcome to my channel Fashion and Glamours. So how are you all? I hope that all will be fit and fine. Welcome back again with another fashion related video. As you can see, I have many ideas about little kids girl pumps heel designs. Very beautiful collection, very beautiful designs as you can see in this video. For your little girls, please don't skip the video and watch till the end so you can't miss any design. For your little girls, for little babies, beautiful shoes collection in this video. Barbie shoes are also available in this video. All designs are so classy, so stunning and so gorgeous. Shimmery and glittery shoes is also available. Very comfortable, very gorgeous, very beautiful collection of little girls shoes. As you can see, high heels shoes, beautiful and gorgeous Cinderella shoes, bow shoes designs you can see, beautiful pink color shoes, Cinderella shoes and Barbie shoes. Please don't skip the video and watch till the end. Many beautiful collection, many beautiful designs in this video. And if you're visiting my channel for the first time, and if you do not subscribe my channel, so please subscribe my channel for more and latest and trendy fashions. Support me more by subscribing my channel. For the latest and trendy fashion updates, you can visit my channel. You can also see my all videos and tell me more about comment section what you want. I thought that this collection is useful for you and helpful for you. And if you have any questions, so please ask me in the comment section. And thanks for appreciation and thanks for giving me feedback for my previous video. Very useful collection I carry for you. So thanks for watching the video, thanks for subscribing my channel. So meet you in the next video. Till the next video, Allah Hafiz.